I'm gonna start with this here door and with this here thing. So first we gonna, get in with the out here. Just a little shit. Little dab. It makes the sticky adhesive stuff stick a little better or something like that. So I heard. Who'd you hear from? Myself. So turn the lights off. That don't go there. And that don't go there. This goes there, like so. Correct the mundo. So let's take the sticky off. If y'all want to know where I got this little stuff from, it's just Amazon. You gotta search until you find it. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you don't find stuff. But if you just keep looking, you'll eventually find it. It's a little too much tail stick. Alright. Y'all know my lips be dry in the morning. But hey, what the come on, man. Stop playing me. There we go. Well, yeah, so I'm just trying to hook you up, get it how I want it. I thought this was gonna be a little more like this one, like on the steering wheel, but it'll do. It's just be like when I open the door, they still gonna be like, oh, okay, I see you, big dog. And that's wrong. They won't be tripping if I put it on the wrong way. I'm like, what's wrong with this dude? I was thinking about going into business for myself with this shit. I'm getting good, man. Of course you're getting good. You're just taking the sticker off and putting it on another thing and making it stick. Hey, you can keep all that negative energy for somebody who needs it. Oh my God. Hey, somebody better get this baby. Fuck wrong with y'all? Big ass truck coming. Oh my God. See, you little niggas ain't never been through nothing. That's how my nephew died. Left him outside in the street. Same little, probably, nah, he was a little younger than that, but that little baby just ran in the middle of the street. Doop, 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 doop. 5 seconds later, big truck coming. That's how my nephew died. He was in our driveway though still. He was still in our driveway, but the lady had a big Suburban and she didn't see him. She pulled in and ran him smooth over. So that's almost bothered me. I was about to get out and go run and get the baby, but I seen the little nigga going to get him, so I was like, all right. You feel me? That's crazy though. Somebody keep your eyes on your kids, man. What's wrong with you, doofless? I don't get out and shake his hand. You get out and get your damn baby. Goofball. But anyway, on another note, y'all, what's up, man? I'm trying to, oh, y'all see it? See what's going on? So I'm gonna go ahead and put this piece on, and then I'm gonna end this part, and then we're gonna come back when I'm done, I guess, because y'all don't need to sit in here. Well, I guess we could talk. Ivan, you talking to yourself. I know, but y'all listening when y'all watch the video, so, you know. How y'all feel about me having the 2021 Scat Pack? You don't have to answer right now. You don't have to answer right now. Just leave a comment or two and tell me how you feel. Cause I'll be happy for y'all if it was y'all. I'm happy for myself if y'all not happy for me. But I know y'all is. Oh. Yes, sir. That's hard. Y'all can't see it, but I mean, it's only hard to me because I just did it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, stuff like that. But yeah, we're gonna do the other ones real quick. Before we do those, since you already know what that's gonna look like, let's get to this other little piece real fast, and then I'll put it all together and show y'all at the end of the video. You heard me? So how y'all day going? My day cool. I mean, you know, I be chilling, watching a little TV, or you know what I'm saying. I drive a little bit, hit the streets, hit the gas on these ends, stuff like that. But I ain't doing nothing. This is a middle plate tray. That's what I call it. That's what just came to my mind when I thought of a name for it, so that's what it is. You know what I'm saying? That's where everybody put their phone, their little knickknacks and gumballs and what's that stuff called? Lip gloss, chapstick, lighters, prescription medicine. Nah, we keep that in the glove box. Oh, excuse me. I know a couple people like to get to it quicker. So yeah, man. I'm just trying to hook my card up like I had my other one, but a little bit better, a little bit more stuff, a little bit better detail. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm gonna get one of them big old decals on the side. I kind of want one, but the only one I can get actually is a damn Scat Pack B. But everybody got a Scat Pack B already. But I can get my own thing, but my brain don't work too good for that. Like, what do I want? So, you know, I want to go for a Night Rider type theme because it's dark in here. At nighttime it's black unless I put on all them lights that I showed y'all. You know what I'm saying? But I can't even see out this mother lover. I ain't gonna cap. Well, I did a good job the other night. I drove home. I seen very perfectly clear. Get off me, yo. Very perfectly clear. I'm very perfectly clear. F it.